Good morning, students. Today's class we are going to see the case study for wind PV system. We are going to analyze why we are using wind and PV system and what is the case been occurred in using wind and PV system. So PV and wind hybrid system, a preview of with case study. Introduction. We will have this kind of block diagram in every wind and PV system, where the PV system as a system control charger and wind system is connected to the system control charger. And the PV system, all these PV and wind is connected with a battery storage bank. The battery storage will be connected to a DC bus, where the DC bus is converted to inverter, and the inverter is connected to load bus. The load bus is optional load or priority loads, and AC load essential and dump load. And here the AC and DC converter, diesel generator also used, where AC bus is given to the load bus, where this is being used. So this is the same introduction of the wind PV system case study. So with the preview of this, we will go for the next. So hybrid elimination system scheme, where the solar photo itself is converted to inverter and a control system and the load. Here we have a control charge controller and system storage and dump load, where these controller unit will monitor the solar photovoltaic cell, which converts the DC to AC while in the inverter system, or it will give us directly to the control charge controller, charge the battery storage system, where the extra power is being given to the dump load, where this, if the battery is full, the extra power is going to dump. If there is no power, means the load is get from the charger control unit or the storage system, or we can use directly the solar photovoltaic inverter and it will given to the load. But it is not full efficiently we can utilize the power. We can use some kind of power to generate. So next we are going to see the wind power. Wind power is the same, the control system with the load, charge control, storage control. The wind is generating is at the frequency of the winter season, when the power control is being given to directly to load. If the load is full, there is no need of required of power, means the control system panel will give to the charge controller and it's stored in a storage device. Again, if the wind power is generating, the load is also full and the battery storage system also full, means the power is being given to the dump load. Where there is no wind or no power, means that again it's given to the charge system. So this is one kind of process were used for the case study. So this is the use as the case study. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.